So friends, today I'm going to share with you my cassata ice cream recipe. It's real fun to make and really delicious. So here I made about a liter of vanilla ice cream. I'll leave the recipe link of how I made the vanilla ice cream. Now here I've just layered my loaf tin with some cling foil or plastic foil, because that way it'll be very easy to lift the cassata ice cream once it's ready. Now I've just got some sliced cake. I'll leave a recipe for my vanilla sliced cake cake recipe too. I've just cut them up into very thin slices like this, and I'm just going to form a layer at the bottom, a very thin layer. Cut up the pieces, so that they fit exactly. Like this. So just press them down so that they form a firm layer without any gaps in between. Now I've divided the vanilla ice cream into 3 equal parts. To one part I'm going to add about a cup of mango puree. This is the puree out of 1 mango exactly. And I'm going to mix it in really well. Now if you don't have mangoes at home, you can just add the mango color and the mango essence. So mix it in well till you get this lovely pale orange or pale yellow kind of color. So now I'm just going to pour this into on top of the cake to about 2 inches of thickness. And then I'm going to freeze this for about at least 2 hours. After that, to the next part, I'm going to add some strawberry essence, and I'm going to add a little bit of pink color. Now ensure that the first layer is completely solidified, and then only add the second layer, otherwise the two colors will mix together. Then again freeze this for about 2 hours, and to the third layer I'm going to add some pista color or light green color along with some pista essence. And when the second layer is solidified, add the third pista layer. And now I'm just going to add a little bit of chopped cashew nuts. And then I'm going to put a cling foil on top of it so that we don't have any ice crystals forming on top. And then you're going to freeze this overnight or for at least minimum of 8 to 10 hours. Don't be in a hurry to demold it, guys. And then once it's ready, just lift up the cling foil. It comes off very easily. And then again, I'm going to put a lot of chopped nuts on top. And just press the nuts on top. You have to work very fast. Otherwise, it will just start to melt. And your cassata is all ready. And now I'm just going to cut it up. So transfer it to a cutting board. It's easier that way. And use a nice sharp knife. It does require a little bit of extra effort because it's frozen. And you can see how the layers are formed, and you have the nice cake base at the bottom and lots of nuts on the top. And this is one slice of cassata. It's delicious, guys. You have to try this out. I thought I'd just share this recipe with you. You can make whatever flavors you want. So I hope you try out this recipe. I hope you like this recipe. And if you do, don't forget to leave this a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Akshata's Recipes. I've got loads and loads of recipes. So do visit my channel. Thank you guys for joining me today. I'll catch you in my next video sooner than you think. This is Akshata signing off. Bye.